Google Hack is one of the simplest ways to make money online, and the good news about this is you can do this hack around the world. Aside from that, doing this method also does not require any experience or any professionalism, because all you need to do is just copy and paste some text. Just stay tuned until the end of this video because I will summarize this hack at the end for you to understand clearly. Also, you will learn 3 different websites where you can make some money. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Google is a valuable resource for generating income. I'll demonstrate how to use it so that you can continue to receive payments. This method is straightforward and simple to use. It simply takes less than 30 minutes. I'll provide a few different ways you can get paid if you don't want to use PayPal or isn't available where you live. It may be done through bank transfer, in person, and etc. Let me now begin instructing you on how to profit from Google Hack. Visit google.com first. Finding Google News on the search tab is the next step. Pick the first website you see after the results, as this is the official website. Use google.com for that. About this website, you will get the most recent news stories and information on everything. You can get a lot of information on Google News, which is the online equivalent of the newspaper. You can read headlines about business, politics, sports, technology, entertainment, science, health, history, and a lot more. You might ask, how can I profit from this? Or, what should I do to use this website to make free money? I'll respond to you later then. You will soon find out. Hence, don't stop the video. I'll demonstrate to you exactly how to profit from this. All categories are present on the left side of the screen, as you can see. It provides news and information about current events and the state of the world. It also includes local news that is broadcast. Local news is no longer our main concern. We'll instead focus on news that pertains to business, technology, sports, entertainment, science, and health. We'll attempt to choose one so you can see it. I'll go with the category of health. When you click it, the most recent news and articles worldwide on health are provided. Hopefully, we'll discover something of interest here. This essay presents well. Additionally, it was just recently uploaded. This is one of those stories that readers would be likely to click on. When you find this, you should click to open the article. You won't write anything from this or sell anything, so don't worry. This is not part of a marketing effort. Neither affiliate marketing nor CPA marketing are related to it. You only need to open it and copy the content. Take this section of the article. Next, we'll go on to the third phase. You need to visit the third website we'll be using. This website is the one who will help us use the article you copied. However, websites are prepared to pay for the articles you created. You can get paid $1 per word by some of them. These articles, as we are all aware, are over 1,000 words long. Therefore, it is difficult to imagine how much money you could make from it. You can scroll down a little bit to see the I am not a robot test and continue reading the content in this box after pausing it. Spinbot will rewrite the article to make it unique. Look, the same message and context can be seen in the results, but the use of synonyms made it different from the original. Now duplicate the article that was rephrased. Then, in order to profit from the article you paraphrased, you'll need the following 3 websites. Both passing and writing articles are options. You will be compensated for contributing material to their page. Instead of putting your time and effort into producing all those articles yourself, to produce effective and high quality output, use Spinbot with Google News. You can instantly receive $1 per word. This is the first website. You can also utilize these 2 more websites to earn money online. How do you submit the post and how you can profit from it are the next questions. Just a little bit of scrolling will get you to this part where they list their contact details. Simply copy their email address, then enter it on your own email account. In the subject line, write article submission. You can also play with other words as long as the message that you will relay will be the same. In the same way that you can send articles in the message body, you can send your own article as an attachment. Now, send them an email. When they get it, it will be looked over. Once it meets their requirements, they will find out how to pay you. You can tell them to pay you through PayPal and then include your PayPal email address in the message. If you don't like PayPal, you can ask to be paid by bank transfer instead. If that's your only choice, send an email with your bank information. We all know that there are a lot of ways to make money, so just make sure your email has all the account information it needs. If you want to pay in a different way, you can send your article to a different site. You can find it at sierraclub.org. Just go in either of these 2 directions. You'll just send an email to their address, copy their email, and go to your own email account. Again, write a message with the word submission in the subject line and in the body. Attach your article and then email it to Sierra Club. The articles don't have anything to do with health or fitness. You should instead look for articles about science and technology. Go to Google News on the left side of the screen to find articles that are related. Pick the one about science. On this page, you will find news about science. Pick one and copy what's inside it. Go to Skimboard and have them rewrite the article for you. Once it is done, you can now submit the Sierra Club a Word document. Aside from Eating Well and sierraclub.org, there is another website where you can base your article. This site is DailyJstore.org. Just check their submission guidelines to know more about their submission process on this website. The money that you can earn is not as big as what you can get from other websites. But still, this website can help make some money. You can still make additional money and maximize your opportunity using this strategy. One excellent thing about this website is it only requires an article with a maximum of 2,000 words. With this article, you can get paid $0.31 per word if one of your articles will get accepted. You can get paid $100 already, if not more. All you need to do is copy and paste some texts. Then, wait to get paid. That is how you can get paid using Google News.
This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.